Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. In this video, we're going to talk about how to flat fold the TacMed Solutions SOF-T. So this is the latest generation of the SOF-T. They've improved the windlass here. It has the clip we'll show you just in a second, a little track clip. They have a better buckle on this generation. I've done a full review for it many years ago, but this is the flat fold. Just want to do a quick reminder on how to fold it, especially if you're looking for an everyday carry tourniquet. This is super compact, and this is on the TCCC recommendation list. So just kind of show you the difference here. We have a Gen 7 cat here, and just kind of to show you the difference here, especially size. Gen 7 cat is also recommended by the TCCC committee. SOF-T, so same width, but we can see that we can fold this a lot smaller. So if you're putting your blue jeans, your day bag, your fanny pack, your chest rig, whatever, the SOF-T is going to fold up very compact and very nicely. We'll take a close look here in just a second, but here's a quick overview. So we have our SOF-T tourniquet here. Like I said, this is the latest generation that has the upgraded buckle, has the track system, still has the triangle, has a nice windlass here as well. So take it, turn it upside down like this, or turn it this way. This buckle is going to fall behind the plate, the little webbing here. Pull this down so it gets kind of nice and neat here. Let's go ahead and put our windlass to the side so it's nice and neat there. This comes up to our base plate and then spin this up. Now we're ready to put a rubber band across the buckle here to hold it in place. If you want to put a second rubber band here across this side, you can do that as well. If you pull your strap so that we have equal amounts of webbing from the base to this piece of webbing, and then the back side is going to run the full length, so we make it look nice and neat like this. This buckle here folds behind it. Turn your windlass to the side. So then, buckles behind us, windlass to the side, nice and neat. This touches our base plate right here, and then fold it up. And now clean it up. Now we're set to put our rubber band across here. So here's our finished product. Nice and compact, nice and neat. So very easy to EDC carry your SOF-T tourniquet here. So if you're looking for a SOF-T tourniquet, I'll put a link down below to medicalgearoutfitters.com. That's my company. Help support us, help support the channel, and you can purchase a SOF-T directly from us. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, the right gear and the right training.